How to generate a random number in Java between 1 and 10. We're going to be using functions from the math class. The final line of code is rather long, so I'll walk you through it step by step. The first and simplest part, we will want to print our answer out. So, system.out.println. Next, a call to math.random. But, as written, that generates doubles between 0 and 1, not inclusive of 1. So to stretch the range out, we will multiply the call to math.random by 10. But, as written, this will only give you floats between 0 and close to, but not including 10. So, we wrap all this in a call to the math.ceil function. But still, this gives us back doubles, and we want ints from 1 to 10. So, finally, cast this output to an int. After all that, if we run the code, you'll see probability at play and a random number between 1 and 10. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.